Hello lovies and welcome to today's video. Can you believe it's been 3 whole weeks that my hair has been straight? My hair was literally fried, dyed, and laid to the side 21 days ago. And there's barely any frizz in sight. So I'm really nervous, really nervous to see if my hair is gonna revert. So sit back, relax while I take care of this dry, itchy scalp. We're gonna try out some new products and we are going to join in prayer that Fred comes back in one piece. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into today's video. My lights are extremely bright, but we're trying out 2 new products from Faren. Their deep scalp detox, I believe that's what it's called, and also their pre-shampoo treatment. Now, this isn't my first time trying the prepoo, but it's the first time that I'm trying it on camera for y'all. So I'm just gonna start by putting my hair into 4 sections before applying the deep scalp detox. The instructions say to shake liberally, and that's exactly what I did. And then I just took the nozzle and applied it directly to my scalp generously. So if you are new here, I have issues with my scalp, and typically I can see flakes 1 to 2 days after washing my hair, and it's very frustrating. So I really want to make sure I'm focusing on lifting any oil or dirt that could be on my scalp. So I'm massaging it in really good, and it felt really cool at first. And this does include tea tree oil. I just wish it had a little more tingle. So now I'm following up with the prepoo, which I've used before, like I said, and I have mixed feelings about this product, but same deal. I'm applying it generously. I'm really making sure I'm applying it to the length and the ends of my hair. The roots was already like starting to revert a little bit, but I don't know. Do y'all see how like straight my hair looks? Like my hair is like sticking out once I apply this, and it made me kind of nervous. And I don't know, I was just really concerned that my hair wasn't going to revert. Even though I had put oils and heat protectants on my hair in the last 3 weeks, I just wasn't really confident because my hair was still very straight before washing it today. Here's why I have mixed feelings about this prepoo. I feel as if I'm using a lot of product. I was using like 3 to 4 handfuls, not quarter size amount, but I was continuously adding more product to my hair, and maybe it was me being impatient, and you do have to let this sit for 10 to 15 minutes before you see results. Maybe I just had too many products layered on the front of my hair, because if you notice, the back of my hair is already starting to revert like almost instantly, but this front was just struggling. And so I don't know, I don't know. But I will say, spoiler alert, that my hair felt so soft after I shampooed. And of course, I've used both shampoos before. We'll get there. But for this to be my first wash day back after being in a silk press for so long, you guys just have to stay tuned. Like, just look and see. And yeah, but I don't know. The jury is still out on this product. And as far as a deep scalp detox, I'm sitting here, it's been 2 days since I have washed my hair, and I haven't seen any flakes yet. So I think that could be in combination with one of the shampoos that I use, but also we'll talk more about that later on in this video. Okay, I have played in my hair for long enough. It is time to actually shampoo and see what my hair is going to look like. So my first cleanse is Briogeo scalp scrub. I know y'all can't see that, but they're charcoal clay scrub. And I'm also using K18's peptide prep for pH balancing. I just really enjoy that cleanser right now, and when I come back, we'll see what Fred looks like. Y'all, I was so nervous, but before I do the big reveal, comment down below and let me know if you think I have any heat or color damage. Hurry. But y'all, my hair had been colored and in a silk press, and it can take up to 3 wash days in order for your curls to come back completely. But y'all, look at Fred. I think he looks so good. I will say that I think that prepoo made my hair incredibly soft. It was the moisture boost that I needed before cleansing my hair. The scalp scrub lifted all the dirt and buildup off of my scalp, and the K18 peptide prep just really cleansed my hair without stripping it. I believe that it's pH balance. And now we got to get into deep conditioning. We're not going to just, stay like this. I forgot to mention this earlier, but some of the shed hair that I saw in the shower felt so strong. My strand of hair looked so incredibly thick and healthy, even though it was colored. So I'm really excited about this color journey this time. I completely forgot to tell you guys what conditioner I was using. I am using Audra Beauty's Reparative Treatment Mask. I felt like this was a great protein moisture balancing treatment that my hair probably needed because color and heat tends to like break down your hair, and baby, we are going for length retention going into the new year. So I am applying this liberally. I'm twisting my hair up, and guess what I have started incorporating back into my routine, y'all? Sitting underneath the steamer. Now, I have had this steamer for years. I believe it's in my Amazon storefront if you are interested. I sat underneath it for about 30 minutes until it ran out of water, and this is what my hair looks like. I feel like Fred looks really juicy and happy and so glad to be back to his normal state. Of course, this is what my hair looks like with the deep conditioner still in it. I haven't rinsed it out, but we are actually going to end this video here. I feel like we have a really great idea of what Fred looks like. He looks pretty healthy in my opinion, and if you want to see what I use to style my hair, make sure you are subscribed and you have your notification bell on, because that will be the next hair video that I upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you and your kind, encouraging words. I'll see you guys in the next one.